Model 2018 Renault Trafic Ll29 Business Energydci body, grey 9-seater minibus, mileage 146040 MOT, the 13th of August 2024. Engine 1598 CCR9M 125 Energydci transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing chain has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Genuine clean, one owner, factory 9-seater minibus. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £14,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.